Yes, the saga of the little tree continues. There it is from where it has been for the last 2 years, I think. It's grown that big. It's been protected from deer and stuff. Fortunately, it's also pretty much protected from eyes and stuff because no one can really see it. Check out those pretty pink flowers. I still don't know what kind of plant that is. I've tried a couple different apps to tell me. It's got purple leaves, pink flowers, and it survived getting cut to the ground twice. And that was after it was brought over dead from a neighbor who said, "Can you try and plant this and see if it grows?" Yeah, it is the prettiest flower. I love it. I'm going to be taking it out of there, chopping down that tree, and putting it there. I want that tree to have a permanent, beautiful spot right next to the house where the flowers in the springtime I'll be able to see from my bed. Wake up and see it. That would be beautiful. Anyway, that's the story of the little tree so far. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends, tell your neighbors, tell people on the streets, hey, don't go out and protest things. Go out and grow flowers. It's much healthier. Anyway, that's my political statement for the day. Goodbye.